In this video, I'm going to show you that this endeavor to stack silver, it's coming to an end. This is real money. It's taken years for most of us to accumulate a safe store of wealth in this metal. Now, this month, we're seeing everything completely flip for us. Check this out. This is from goldbroker.com. This chart is showing the silver to gold ratio going back to 2021. And according to this author, you could see that there's a resistance. And that suggests that the ratio presently, as it's playing out in this month of May, it is set to fall. That means higher prices for silver stackers. If you think it's difficult to accumulate one tube of silver presently at this spot price of 33 at most, we've been hitting $34 an ounce for 1 ounce of silver. If that's difficult, just watch as this coming month plays out. Because even, let's say you're accumulating 2 or 3 a week. Right now, that's a little over $100. But as this metal shoots up in price, silver stackers, we're not going to be able to keep up. As it is, we've already given up on gold. You and I, the ability to stack gold, that left at least 12 months ago. It's out of reach. Now, silver is set to do the same. Look at this one. This chart shows a longer term chart going back to the 90s. Again, for the silver to gold ratio. And according to this author, it appears that price was stretched as far as it's been since COVID and the global financial crisis. You got to check out this article on your own, and I'm not going deep into the weeds on this, but really look at all the details, because again, what it shows is that both of those times led to a steep drop in the ratio, and that in turn gives us higher metal prices. Look at this. This is third chart. It shows real trouble for you and I as silver stackers. The author states that you could see that we're set up for a real drop in that ratio. And should that occur, this is what this author is saying, should that occur, the ratio will have all the momentum it needs to fall steeply. And when that happens, it sends prices much, much higher. This is the struggle for you and I stacking this metal. We want the value to increase, of course, but just like we've experienced with gold, when that value increases to the point where it's out of our reach, we're unable to stack. That is a real struggle for us as silver stackers.